In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix it when your Wi-Fi network is not showing in Windows 11. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So if at all you're facing this problem whereby you can't see Wi-Fi, for my case, I'm just giving an example. I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so step number 1, come to your search over here near the start button. Then search for services. When you search for services, open up this, which is system services. Open it up. Now once you open up the services, we can go ahead and adjust. Then once you adjust, we shall scroll down. Then look for WLAN. Okay, this one over here, which is the WLAN or local area network auto config. It basically means the Wi-Fi local area network auto config. So double click on it. Now once you double click on it, it means check this one, which is the startup type, and make sure it is set to automatic. Once the Wi-Fi isn't there, it means either it is set to manual, or it is disabled, or it is set to automatic delay start. So make sure it is set to automatic and click OK. Once you do that, you then have fixed that problem. Thanks for watching.